Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on this vlog we have got this fantastic Lamborghini Urus Performante, and that is coming in for a full carbon fibre kit. So it's going to be an urban body kit, front splitter, side skirt extensions, roof spoilers from CT Carbon, and then we've got the brand new bonnet and the wheels as well. So stay tuned throughout the video. We're going to show you step by step as normal how we install this kit, so enjoy.
So just the end caps need to come off, and then this big piece here is staying on. I've just done the other side. As you can see, these bits just bolt on, but it is a process which we're going to show you. Right, so that's test fit complete. So I'm happy with the way this is sitting here. We've got the end caps on. I'm happy with the way they're going on there, but I don't know if you can see with the camera, we've got no contact here at the moment. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna take it all back off again. And these end pieces are gonna be bonded to the top piece spoiler. That will be the first bit of the process. And then once we're happy with that, we've got a really good adhesion with each end cap, then we're gonna pop a little bit of bonding down at the bottom here, and then that'll be the spoiler fitted. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start that process, and we'll see you for the next bit. Okay, so this is the install time now, so I'm going to go ahead and get this into here. Try and keep off the roof. Right, I'm happy there. Yeah. Okay, are you in? Right, so my side is down, your side down? Right, so we now need that pressure again. So if you can just tighten those end caps. So we're gonna tighten the end caps again. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. I'm just tightening them up. So we're naturally just letting the spoiler sit where it needs to sit. And then we're going to pull both the edges in with the tape. And for some reason with this spoiler, it just does need that pressure. So on the back side, okay, you're going to need to apply pressure your side. So let me know when you've got that pressure down. Are you happy? Get that tape down. So you've got to make sure that you keep checking this, guys, because if it slots out of place and you've bonded it, you're not going to be able to recover it. Okay, so on the front side of the spoiler, again, just make sure you've got that pressure. You got it? Get that tape down. That looks good. That looks good. We've got a little bit of squeeze on this side, and we've got a little bit of squeeze in the centre there now. I'm quite happy with a little bit of squeeze because that tells me that the boot spoiler has got contact with the roof. So we're just going to go ahead and just clean that up a little bit while it's nice and wet, and then that will be the spoiler fitted. So I'm just going to get the camera to show you guys what we've got. So this tape here, that's keeping the pressure on both sides. So it's pulling the spoiler in. And if you can just see underneath, I'm sure if you can see under there, that it's nice and tight up. And then obviously we've got the bottom here as well. And then the same on this side. So you've got a little bit of squeeze there at the front, if you can see that. And then just a little bit of squeeze on the side, which we're going to tidy up. And then that will be the roof spoiler fitted. So clean up all that, and then we're going to leave that overnight. Take the tape off in the morning, and that will be the Performante Lamborghini Urus spoiler, nicely fitted. And then tomorrow we're going to move on to the rest of the kit. Okay, on to the next phase of the Lamborghini Urus build. So we've got now the Urban Automotive splitter and the side skirts. I've only put one side skirt there because I don't want to get the other one out of the packaging yet. But you can see, if you just come in with the camera a little bit, you can see how thick these are. Super light, but there's a lot goes into them. And then obviously the splitter as well. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get these on the car. The splitter is going to be first. Like I said, we've already done the spoiler in the previous video, or earlier on in this video. So we're going to get the splitter on first, then we're going to work on the side skirts, and then we've got the new bonnet going on. That's with the wrap guys at the minute, so we'll be putting that on, and then we're having the wide arches go on it as well. So yep, splitter next, so we'll see you throughout the video. Tell me when you're ready. Yeah. Yep. Sound. That's just up there. If we can line up now. Oh, there'll be a screw in it then. So next up, these carbon side skirts. So you can see they are massive. So we're going to be looking at putting the T25s back in these holes here. We're just going to offer them up first, just make sure we've got a good fit, which is what you should do with every body kit. So I'm just going to call Isaac in now. We're just going to offer these up to the car and just see where they are sitting. Oh yeah, they sit nice. So they sit nicely in the groove underneath. Yeah, you happy?
Seems probably could take that door, isn't it?
Yeah.
Door.
Right. Right, so moving on to the carbon bonnet then. So this is the Urban Automotive bonnet. We've started swapping everything over. So we've got the weather strip, we've got the clasps, we've got the washer jets, we've got the bungs, we've just got the arms just to loosen off now before we take off the actual bonnet bolts and we start to lift the bonnet off. So that is pretty much everything apart from these things here, holding on the struts that we need to swap across. and then we'll be putting the new bonnet on, and we'll have a look at how that looks, but there's a lot of alignment to do first, as you can expect. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're just gonna take the bonnet off now, myself and Isaac. Gonna get it out of the way, swap everything across onto this one, and then get the new one on, see how she looks. So, just with the mould on the carbon fibre bonnet from Urban, I think that just the holes are drilled a little bit too wide, so these are just slotting in and out and just not staying in. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on just to mitigate it. Obviously once bonnet's down it's not an issue, but we don't want them coming off when you lift the bonnet, so just a little bit of tape on there just to mitigate it. Make sure you alcohol both surfaces. And then we're going to put that on there. There we go. So it just keeps it on, that's all. It's not a mega issue.
Are they not wrapping it properly?
No. We're wrapping it on car. Right, it's through now. Roll yours out. Ready? Yep. We need to go upside down with it now. Cool, that's it. So yeah, we need no, they're going to stay in. We need these out. So best of luck getting them out. Yep. Right, it's going to need some adjusting, so let's just...
I've lined mine up like where the holes were.
Have you?
Yeah.
Right, hang on then. Oh no, they should hang out on that. Oh no, sorry, no, I'm lying. Go on. Okay, moving on to the next part of the install, and it's the final part, which is the wheels. So if you just come in, Ali, we've got these gorgeous 24-inch wheels from Urban Automotive, complete with tyres. So it's a very simple wheel exchange. I'm sure you guys have seen this 1,000 times before. So we're going to get these wheels off, get the new ones on. We'll have a look, see how she looks. That's all it is. That is it. That is the Lamborghini Urus finished. So urban splitter, urban boots on it. So we've got some nice big stancy boys on there. Got the bonnet and we've got the side skirts and we've got the roof spoiler as well. So if you need anything for your Lamborghini Urus, we do other kits as well, other than the urban kit. Thank you to the Rat Pod for bringing this round as well. So I'm going to let Ali do a little bit of a B-roll, let you have a look around it. We'll see you for the next one.